always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and do the live cop for Supreme Week 15. In a couple minutes this should be dropping and I'm gonna go ahead and try to go for it. I don't even know what color I'm gonna go for yet. I really do like the olive. I love the black. Even that purple is a banger. Honestly, either one of those might make me consider just keeping this shit. I'm also gonna try to go for the beanie, but my priority is the hoodie for this week. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, and don't forget to check out my little sale that I got going on Astro Bodega right now. There are really good prices on there, so go ahead and check that out. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Alright, so we're back and the drop should be within any second now. The screen recording is going down. I'm literally just waiting for this shit to... oh no, oh, they loaded. I'm going for olive, fuck it. Add to cart, check out. Come on, that was fast, bro. That was mad fast. Like, don't play me right now. Come on, son. Yo, I just literally went right through it. It's not even letting me process. What? High traffic, bro. What are you doing? Fuck, I just got high traffic. Come on, bro. Dude, I just went mad fast and I got high traffic. This is some bullshit. I'm about to try my phone. No internet connection. Fuck you mean? Turn this shit off. Get out of here. Crossbox logo. Bang. Yo, it's not even popping up on my screen right now. Bro, let me get this, bro. It's not loading anywhere, bro. I don't know what's going on right now. Let me open a new tab. Fuck it. Still here. What are you talking about? Sold out. Oh, nah. Damn. What just, literally what just happened? Check out. Sold out. What the fuck just happened, bro? I don't know what just happened. I'm not even gonna lie to you. These shits came and they went. I don't know what happened, bro. This was a shit show, dude. I checked out and I got high traffic. Then by the time I was able to get back in, it was over. It's over. It says it's still there though, so I don't get it. I'm about to go for the beanie. Fuck it. And the beanie's gone. Beanie is gone, people. Bruh, this was a L, a big L. I wonder if I got charged for that olive one though, dude, because high traffic sometimes means that you got it. I don't think so, but you just never know. The beanies are gone, bro. They're gone. It's over for that. Yo, that was fast, bro. What the fuck? So I guess that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know how you guys did down below. This was a shit show, bro. If I do end up getting it, I'm gonna put it up on the screen right here. Honestly, I don't think so. I don't know what happened this morning. This high traffic shit gotta stop. Let me know if you did cop those. Slap a like button if you did enjoy this video. Subscribe if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And yo, I guess I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.